Hey guys, Robert with GP Customs. Here we have a 2015 Lexus LS 460. This is a repeat customer. Came back to us for a radar detection system. We use Escort products. We believe they're the best on the market, cutting edge technology. We put an Escort 360 in this, but we didn't just stick it to the windshield. We actually went through and did a blend mount. Come and take a peek what this looks like. The Escort system we use is the Escort 360 Max. Has front and rear radar detection. And like I said, we didn't just stick this to the windshield, we hardwired. So it mounts really nicely underneath the rear view mirror with a special bracket, and then we actually wired it so it turns on when the car turns on. No need to have the wire dangling and plugged into your cigarette lighter, no wires showing, everything's just real sleek and real clean, still giving you awesome protection when you're driving in town or on the interstate. If you're interested or looking for any type of radar detection, whether it be a built-in system with a custom installation, standard system that bolts right up to your windshield with a suction cup, or a nice sleek system that mounts up to the mirror, feel free to give us a call at GP Customs, find us online, or stop down to the shop. Thanks for watching.